Hello friends.
Welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing well. And today we will learn that how to clear the vendor account. Vendor account means the open item which is outstanding in vendor ledger account. Okay. So all of us to see the vendor account open item.
You need to use P code FBL1N. Okay. Put the account and company code, then click on open item and then execute. Here you can see a document number 19025 which is having credit balance of rupees 50,000, and another document number is 15025 which is having debit balance of rupees 50,000, and this credit and debit should be zero. So we can use this both document to clear the open amount from the vendor ledger. Okay, let's start to clear the open item. So the T code will be to clear the vendor item is F-44. F-44 is the T code to clear any open item which is outstanding in vendor's account. Okay, press enter. Yeah, here the system is asking the vendor code. Put the vendor code and special GL. You saw earlier, you saw earlier screen that there was a special GL of A. Okay, and the system is asking document number, that which document number you want to clear. Here you can also recheck that what is the document number which is having debit and credit balance. Okay, again go to FBL1N, put the vendor code and do execute. Yeah, here you can check the document number, which is 19025 and 15025. Okay, copy this document number and paste here and press process open item. You can see that whatever document number we have selected, the same is appearing here. The credit balance of rupees 50,000 and the debit balance is rupees 50,000, and the total impact is rupees 0. You can see here that the total impact of this both transaction is 0. So now you can clear this both transaction by pressing or by clicking the document and click on simulate. Okay, you can also check the entry by clicking the simulate button. Here, the Dell Private Limited is getting credited by rupees 50,000, and Dell Private Limited is also getting debited by rupees 50,000, and the impact is 0 here. You can also check the impact is 0 here. Now you can post this document by pressing the save button in your display, or you can also use in your the laptop buttons control plus S. Okay, I'm just going to post this. Yeah, here you can see that document 1011 has posted in company code AON. You can also check this transaction by refreshing this vendor account. After getting refreshed, this 50,000 credit and 50,000 debit will be removed from here. Okay, I'm just pressing this refresh button. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, this was the entire process of clearing of any vendor account. I hope you all will like this. If you like this, then please press like, share, subscribe and comment button. Okay, thank you very much. See you all with another video. Thank you.